I'm a junior researcher doing my PhD within the Informa project. I'm specifically working on work package 2, which is about comparing managed and unmanaged forests in Europe. Within Informa we have a strong connection to everything carbon related, but in work package 2 we try to go beyond that a little bit as well, try to quantify other ecosystem functions like biodiversity, for example. So it's a bit broader than just carbon. It's very exciting, specifically because it's a different target audience than we are used to. Usually we talk to scientists and a very specific type of discussion, but here some other questions come up, other concerns, and we also have to convey the message differently because they have very different interests, for example. So I think it's a very nice experience. It's different to what we've experienced before. Yeah, I think the general topic was on forest restoration, which is something that is also a bit involved in Informa. I think one of the key messages is that we should look at things in a context-dependent way. So really look at one area and see what is best for this specific area. There's very seldomly one answer for the whole of Europe, though we try to get general trends. I think it's important to look at a specific context and also try to really deviate from the norm if it's needed. And I think we wanted to inspire these journalists to really have a deeper look in some of the concepts that we talked about and really try to not stick with what is usually known, but to try to go beyond that if necessary. I think a lot of the times the interests are very different. So what we as scientists perceive as this is interesting to us might not necessarily be interesting to the journalist, and the other way around. So it's a very different mindset, and I think it's very nice if we can kind of reconcile that in some way by sitting together, discussing things together, and try to collaborate on projects where these interests are actually aligned. I think that would be very nice. I think for scientists it's a classic that we need to invest more in communication and translating our research into things that are understandable, also applicable, and then to really try to engage with journalists, policymakers to get this research out. Because oftentimes it kind of stops at the scientific publication and then journalists need to find this. I think it's nice if from both sides there is extra effort into finding each other, basically.